Hey, how's it going? In this video, we're going to go over how to draw a Brachiosaurus from Jurassic Park, Jurassic World. It's the long-necked sauropod, one of many, and in this one, we're going to zoom in kind of on its face and neck, just to kind of give you like an idea, because every time I've seen those dinosaurs depicted, they've had like little bitty heads, right? Because you have to draw their entire giant body. So I wanted to focus in on just the head on this one, okay? Still very simple. I think it's incredibly easy, and I think anyone can do it, so anyone can follow along with me. So if you like dinosaurs, let's jump right in. Pretty much easy. Like I said, 6 minute. Let's jump right in, okay? Stay all the way to the very end, and let's go. Let's go over this. Right now I'm gonna go over here and draw the head, and I'm gonna draw like the top of the snout area. I'm kind of debating on how big I want to make this. Let's make something like that, right? Top of the snout, it's gonna curve down. It's gonna pull back over here, and then curve line down for that side of the cheek, you know, side of that cheekbone area. Gonna pull up over here at the top. There's this bump on its head, Brachiosaurus. And then back here, it's gonna go back down here. Now the back all the way down his neck. With this tiny teeth, kind of block-like, right? Does it look sharp depending? Right, that might be close. Right there. Curve down. For the side of the, you know, the line on the side here as it opens the mouth. And out down there. Bottom, front of the mouth there. And then I'm going to go here and I'm going to curve back. Back of the jaw. Over here, there's like a throat, right? Because when he's eating, you know, he's gonna kind of store some of that in his throat a little bit, or it's gonna use it to digest as he's chewing. It's kind of like we kind of have that part under the throat, and almost every animal has it. And down here, I pull down the line there. I love dinosaurs. If you love drawing dinosaurs as well, don't forget, hit the subscribe button right now and hit the bell notification. I draw dinosaurs all the time. I draw at least a couple every week, and I want more dinosaurs to draw, so absolutely hit me up with suggestions, okay? But yeah, if you like that kind of stuff, absolutely hit the subscribe. Right now, I'm going to draw tons and tons of stuff. It basically lets you know when I post. If what I do here is worth your time, please consider subscribing. I'm going to go do the same thing over these flat teeth over here. Going down here, back for the tongue. So I think the nasal cavity's at the top here, so I'm gonna put like a dot at the top. Over here now I'm gonna go into the eye area, by the way. I love the Brachiosaurs. I loved them in Jurassic Park, that first Jurassic Park when they were talking to them. And I think, was it a Brachiosaur that was left behind in Jurassic World? I can't remember what dinosaur that was. You remember that one? Like they were leaving the island and got left behind. I don't think it was it? Or was it? Can somebody tell me in the comments? I can't remember, I'm not joking. I guess I could look it up, but I'm not gonna look it up now. Curve right here for the eye. Line over here. Well, dot, you know, for the iris and pupil. Curve around the outside, curve underneath. Line right here from underneath the throat there. And let's go over here and draw like some thin lines right now for detail, because now it's more or less that, right? You're just looking at the detail to these like gigantic lizards, right? These I think they're titanosaurs, though. They're all called titanosaurs. But I know they're sauropods, obviously, but I don't know if Brachiosaurus was considered a titanosaur. I want to do like another pass of dinosaur knowledge, right? Like I want to like do another like study session of dinosaurs, because stuff changes like a lot all the time, right? So right here, I'm doing these thin lines around it, like the skin is wrapping around, right? This cylindrical like neck. So that's kind of what I'm doing here, is throwing that, and maybe I can throw the back in here somewhere down there, but just to make it look like it's not a worm. But either way, like I said, this is a Brachiosaur. Maybe some thin lines up here. Every thin line right here like this is usually around like places that fold, right? Like the joints underneath the neck. It's meant to be very, you know, chill. It's meant to add to the photo, right? Thin the photo, the drawing. I'm all like wired right now, guy. You know, I was drinking coffee there. Line here. Just again, throwing these little flicks, right? And you want to put very little weight on it. But those things will add up, especially on a dinosaur design. You don't want to do it every single spot. I don't recommend it, at least. You can, but sometimes it'll break the drawing, and you want to be careful not to totally break the drawing, especially if I'm just drawing with a marker. If you're just drawing with a pencil, you can just draw these thinner lines that add to details. But yeah, I'm excited about the Jurassic Park Dominion. Let me know if you are too. Put a line back here. I forgot because he has to have an ear, right? The ear is usually behind there on the thick line. That's like the only thick line there. Thank you so much. That is it. I want to thank you for everything, and you guys are amazing. Hit that like, and let me know. I have a website right now called sketchingeasy.com. I'm trying to fix it though. It's still under construction, so forgive me, but there's beginner programs there. I'm starting putting more programs, not just on Skillshare, which are on there, but I'm also putting programs on my Gumroad. So go check those out. I'm trying to figure out what to put on that, and I'm probably going to open up a Patreon again. Used to have a Patreon, but now I'm going to go back to it. This shadow here, just to kind of anchor that. I like putting a strong shadow there to kind of, you know, kind of unify the picture a little bit. Just kind of like give your eyes somewhere to look at in the area of here. That is it. Thank you so much. I will talk to you next time, and I'll speak to you very soon. Say hi to me in the comments if you can hear my voice. I promise I will respond to every single comment. Try me. Try posting a bunch. I will totally respond. See ya. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.